let's find the tabs.
Okay, y'all go.
Okay, we are. Okay, here's some tabs. Let me find which way's front
You
back.
hurry up! I can't even put the stinking baby on there.
Oh, look, I have. Okay.
Hang on, Jordan.
Okay, now. Okay, where's the back?
Wait, oh, she was trying to get her arm.
Okay.
I did the same thing.
Jordan, did you move the baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Put the baby.
Y'all are funny.
Wait a minute. Okay. Okay, now. Now, we got it.
No. No, we don't.
Yeah, I think we're Jordan, did you pull the... Where's the diaper? Okay.
Hold on, let me get the tape.
Well, we gotta... Okay.
Good.
Okay, are you putting the tape on?
Yes.
Well,
I
don't think we did it right.
wait and get the tape.
Well, honey.
They're cracking up.
Jordan, you're hogging the baby.
Jordan, give me the tape.
Let me do it.
Wait, here it goes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yay! Look at that job, man.
Where was the baby the whole time?
It was over there.
Jordan had it tucked up in her arm like a football.
You go, where's the baby? That's funny.